Hi everybody, we have a product in protective coating range named Safecore EPF. Safecore EPF is a solvented high-build protective and decorative coating for concrete floors and walls. The benefits of using Safecore EPF are: it is easily applied on dry or damp surfaces and can be used on concrete floors, walls, etc. It has excellent waterproofing and overcoating characteristics. It gives impervious finish and provides easily cleaned surface. Safecore EPF has excellent bonding with concrete substrate and it also ensures dust-proof floor. It provides high resistance to wide range of industrial chemicals. Safecore EPF is used in industrial floors, assembly areas, workshops, soft drink production, breweries, food processing units, dairies, pharmaceutical units, etc. It is used as a protective coating for steel and concrete structures and commercial cementitious flooring systems. Safecore EPF is a 2-pack high-build solvented epoxy coating for concrete substrates. It provides a hard-wearing aesthetic finish with good resistance to chemical attack. It also provides a durable coating suitable for application on both vertical as well as horizontal surfaces. Safecore EPF is available in blue, grey, red and in green color. Special colors would be available as per the order. The application of Safecore EPF is as under. Safecore EPF is supplied as a ready-to-use in pre-weighted packs of resin and hardener for easy on-site mixing. Now pour the hardener into the resin can. Mix well using a pedal attached to an electric drill for 2 to 3 minutes until you get a uniform color. Safecore EPF may be applied by brush or airless spray to give a continuous coating on the prepared surface. A second coat may be subsequently applied when first coat is dried, preferably next day. Safecore EPF is supplied in 5 kg pack. If you have any queries regarding this, please do not hesitate to reach us. Thank you.